looking for someone like me.
Hello everyone, this is your author Sheila D, and I hope you all are having a blessed day. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and welcome. Also click on the notification bell, that way you will know when I upload new videos. And if you are returning to my YouTube channel, thank you so much for your support with much love. Today I am coming to you from Smokey Bones, which is located in Clearwater, Florida. So today I am having fried pickles for my appetizer, and then for my entree I will be having fish and chips, which comes with 3 pieces of beer battered fish and coleslaw and french fries, and I will be having my usual Arnold Palmer for my drink. I own the rights to the music that's being played in the background. And here is my Arnold Palmer. And guys, I'm gonna go ahead and dig in. Try out these fried pickles. Look at that. They're actually pretty good. I'm not a big fan of coleslaw, so I won't be eating that. Not a big fan of tartar sauce, so I won't be eating that. But I will be eating fish. Okay, so the fish is cooked a little more browner than I remember. It's supposed to be more like a lighter brown, but this is the fish. Yeah, it's a little bit more greasier than what I remember. I've been here before, so. When I used to come here before, guys, they had the fried green tomatoes with marinara sauce, which is really good, but they don't have it anymore, which is why I ended up with the fried pickles, which also turned out to be pretty good. I would say my overall meal is pretty good, other than the, I think, overly cooked fish. I mean, even with it being overly cooked, it's still good. It's either that or I'm just hungry. I'll say it's probably a little of both. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my meal. Also, I wanted to add, their ribs are really good, their sausage are really good, and they have these smoked wings that are really good, and you can get different sauces with it. It's just that today I wanted a light lunch and not a heavy lunch. So yeah, they usually have a 3 meat or 2 meat combo that you can choose, and it usually comes with 2 sides and a slice of Texas toast. If you do go to Smokey Bones, you might want to try that out. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also comment down below if you have a Smokey Bones in your area and what you usually order when you are there. You're welcome to share this video if you'd like. But most importantly, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a blessed day.